It has little details like the steering wheel stitching that match the air tank. It's not overdone. It was built right with high quality components. Has the ability to monitor different aspects of the engine and suspension from the cabin. And the stance is great, as well as being adjustable. Big multi-piece rotors and brakes in the front. Super clean front end. Fog lights and brake ducts. Flush fitment. Tinted windows. This is really clean. Really expertly installed. Super nicely done. You could not build this car for a fraction of what the selling price will be. This is one of those really good enthusiast cars where if you share the taste of the builder, you get all the spoils of the hard work at a fraction of the price. Enjoy.